Wow, big, big right. Drop that by left hand. Boom, left hand on the button, on the light would all the shouting all over. So just from there, the punch could have been stopped right there.
Matapos matalo sa kapwa Pinoy noong October 2021 na para sana sa bakanting OPBF flyweight title, ay dumayo itong Pinoy na tubong kawayan ni Negros Occidental na si JR Raquinel alias The Dreamer sa lugar na kung saan laganap ang dayaan, ang South Africa. Makakalaban niya ang hot prospect at undefeated na South African na si Landy Nyeki. Dihado sa mata ng karamihan si Kabayan dahil bukod sa mismong baluarte ng kalaban gaganapin ang laban ay undefeated pa itong South African, mas matangkad at mas malaki din itong kalaban. May record ito na 9 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw, 4 via knockout, habang 12 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw, 9 via knockout naman ang dayong Pinoy na si Raquinel. Ginanap ang laban sa International Convention Center sa East London, Eastern Cape, South Africa noong October 2022 lang. Ang laban ay para sa bakanting WBO Intercontinental Super Flyweight title. Dihado man kung tignan si Kabayan, ay walang takot pa din itong dumayo sa lugar na kilala na kung aabot sa kamay ng mga hurado ang desisyon, ay paniguradong talo ang makukuha mo. Bitbit ni Kabayan ang kumpiyansa sa sarili na kaya niyang tibagin itong mas malaki at mas matangkad na kalaban gamit ang kanyang mga kamao. At sa mismong laban nga, ay di nagkamali si Kabayan sa kanyang desisyon. Walang takot na ginulpi at pinatumba ang kalaban sa harap mismo ng kanyang mga kababayan. Kahit pa man ay makikitang tila tinutulungan pa ng referee itong kalaban, ay wala pa din itong nagawa sa lakas ni Kabayan. Halina't ating balikan ang laban na kung saan di na pinaabot pa ng Pinoy na dayo ang laban sa kamay ng mga hurado. Tinapos na ang undefeated na kalaban via KO.
Yeah, the last, also the third of the so far round. It is one each. Okay. Down goes the South African knockdown. Again, Brian, Southpaw versus the Southpaw versus fights. And no losses. It's a good showing. Here to fight. Here to fight. And there's Rapino. Well, we saw in our last fight, we saw Filipino win. Well, he's getting the South African, Brian. These are big punches coming from Rapino. And he's a socket. And I'm looking at his body, Brian. He looks dry, so he might not on his body, the South African, naked. So maybe he's been caught cold in the first round. Oh, and he warmed up, and he still got knocked out. Rapinel, it's not international junior bantamweight over 12 rounds. And also Brian, junior bantamweight, these guys look too big for junior bantamweight. Yeah, they look pretty big. Now Mike now starting to come out of his shell now. Well, JR has showed that he's come to fight, there's no doubt about that. And it's not also waiting to worry about now the rounds, 12 rounds. He says, I don't care 12 rounds or not, I'm going to start very fast. And yeah, that round going to National Promoters Association. Well, round number 2 of the final bout of the afternoon. Look at that nice left uppercut there from Rapinel, followed by right hand. Can you guys hear me properly? Because I can't hear Rapinel. He's a southpaw. So let's see, Brian, if Mikey has warmed up and he'll be able to do something. But one thing, the Filipino Rapinel, they are winning the first round. Definitely won the first round, Brian. 4 to win the 2. Let's say he looks very well conditioned, very Ranakile. Whoa, big, big right. Unbelievable stuff there from Ranakile from the Philippines. Is it going to be 2 in a row for the Filipinos? there in his legs. Let's see if he'll be finished and the referee jumps in.
It's over. Well, the referee's trying to give him a chance, of course. Luma in charge, the great red.
The referee's giving me every chance.
The fight is over. Unbelievable stuff here in East London.
Wow, Brian.
What can you say to that? And you know what's another...
Lawas saja, Abang. Lawas saja. Untuk kosa. Bye. Kami jam. Apir wala. Lawas. Hulog lang ha. Buang speed. Kena. Hulog lang. Hulog lang ha. Buang speed. Kami jam. Straight jump, bawal.
Your new WBO Intercontinental Junior Bantamweight Champion, JR Rekino, the Dreamer.
Quinner.
So he sets his man up with the right hand.
Yeah,
obviously
in the body.
he's a southpaw. Boom, there's a big left hand. Wow. And down goes Ngek, and down again with another left hand, just to make sure. Unbelievable.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.